Here's how to create this split-screen burning line animation in Premiere Pro. Let's take these two clips as an example. Highlight your top clip and go to Effect Controls. Under Opacity, click the Pen tool and draw around the portion you want to split until you return to your starting point. Select the Pen tool from your toolbar and click the points on your preview screen to create your line. Go to Properties and uncheck Fill while checking Stroke. Adjust the stroke thickness to your preferred width. Now go to Effects and find Roughen Edges. Add this effect to your line graphic. Under Effect Controls, change Edge Type to Spiky and adjust the border value until your line begins to fragment. From the start of your clip, click the stopwatch icon next to Evolution. Move your timeline slider to your desired endpoint and increase the evolution value to a large number to complete the burning animation effect.